To breed a mare on site from the Collection Management, go to the Stallion Management collection, highlight the collection, go to the management, and then you click on the breeding log. This is going to open the breeding record for already the selected stallion, where you have the chance to pick the mare. Select the mare, complete the transaction. It can be according to the collection. These records here are optional. Save the record. Breeder information is required. I'm going to say this is from Wise Option Farms. Artificial insemination premises. Save. We are breeding a mare today, and we're going to check the ovulation in 2 days or tomorrow. We're going to check ovulation, yes. The beginning status, it's important for reports and conception rates analysis. So I'm going to say yes. I'm going to say this was a barren mare, which is just the letter B. Click OK. And it's requiring for us to enter the net volume and total volume, which is optional. I'm going to say yes. Net is going to be 4 and total is going to be 30. And I hit again, yes. And the next question is if I want to reschedule the mare for ovulation check. I'm going to say yes. This is going to put my mare tomorrow. I'm going to reschedule, and it's going to be for OV check. And as you can see, the breeding log has been registered for that breeding record on site. So today we've learned how to enter breeding record from a Stallion Collection Management in Wise Option. Thanks for watching.